Retail therapy is done. We're not doing that shit anymore. I'm about to tell you what we're all gonna start doing instead. Now, there's a couple reasons for retail therapy. The biggest one being emotional. You shop because you're sad, stressed, or anxious. And usually the cause of the sadness, stress, or anxiety is often money related. Isn't that kind of fucked up? It's like a disconnect. We're worried about finances and money and saving and retirement. And so what do? Instead of save and invest, we shop. And then because we have financial mismanagement, we spend, we feel guilty, so we spend some more because it makes us feel better, and we end up in debt. Another reason we all indulge in retail therapy, instant gratification. You're shopping because it makes you happy, probably because you're sad about something else, but those small purchases add up over time. Another reason is image. We get caught up in the sense of self. People will think I'm important if I have designer clothes or a luxury car, but usually those luxury items end up putting us in more debt or prevent us from investing and saving. Another reason is that many of us don't have hobbies. We're bored. So what do we do when we're bored? We shop. We spend money that we can't really afford on things because it's an activity that gets us out of the house. My name is Kenneth, and I teach my 430,000 social media followers how to trade, invest, and simplify their lives. Minimalism is a big part of my life. And I've been talking about this since I joined TikTok a little bit over 5 years ago. But the biggest, hardest shift that many of us are going to face is switching from the consumer mindset to the investor mindset. One of the easiest ways to make this mindset shift is to think about companies that you know, use, and love. If you love those companies, it might be worth considering investing in those companies. I'll give you a quick example. A couple years ago, I went to a friend's house and he showed me his Nike collection. He opened up his closet, floor to ceiling Nikes. And I said, oh my God, how much stock do you have in Nike? And he was like, oh, I don't have, should I invest? Zero. Should I have stock in Nike? And I was like, dude, look at how much you love this company. Why wouldn't you also invest in this company? And he was like, damn, I never really thought of it that way. And then he went on to tell me about all of his money problems and, maybe we know why, because he had so many shoes. And I said, listen, instead of buying the shoes, buy the stock or buy fewer shoes and more stock. At least invest in the company that you love. In the last decade, Nike stock is up 150%, and they've raised their dividend 11 years in a row. Yes, the mindset shift is going to start with retail, right? I love Big Macs. Oh, maybe I should invest in McDonald's. I love lattes. Maybe I should invest in a coffee company. I love Chipotle and Netflix. Oh, maybe I should buy stock in these companies. But over time, that investor mindset will really kick in, and you'll start noticing brands everywhere, and you'll go, oh, a garbage truck drives by and it's got a big waste management sticker on the side, and you go, waste management, I wonder if they're public. Soon you'll start thinking like an investor instead of, oh, I'm sad, I should buy this thing, it'll make me feel better. I'm not a scientist or anything like that, but I would guess that financial insecurity and instability is one of the leading causes of retail therapy. We're looking at our finances, we're sad, so we go shopping because impulse purchases make us feel better. For me, knowing that my future is taken care of gives me all the peace of mind that I need. I don't need a pair of shoes or a designer item to boost my mood and to elevate my mood. What I need is to see stock markets open. What I want to see aren't material items increasing. By the way, all that clutter in your home ends up usually buried in closets. What I want to see is my portfolio grow over time, because the more my portfolio grows, the sooner I can retire. Oh, hey, if you're new to investing and you watched this whole video, thank you, and I have a little present for you. Whenever I make stock market videos, people always say, hey, what website are you using? Where did you get that? How do you find that? Take a look. All you need to do is go right here and click on the menu right here, and you will find all of these resources, and they are 100% totally free. Look at this. It just launches right into the class. Smash that follow. Retail therapy is done. Start investing.